Hi, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the 325 Conquest, powered by twin Mercury V8 300s. The nice upgraded white Mercury V8 300s. You got a big bench seat in the rear. This boat does come with the grill on the port side. You pull out that drawer, it just lifts right open. You can flip that seat up when you're not using the grill, and you can pull it out, and it'll be a little stand to rest your feet on. Right next to the helm on the port side, you got this table that you can flip up. It's an up-down table. You can push it down, you can lift it up. If the table's not there, you can fold this seat back, and it'll actually say you can face forward while you're underway. This boat has the twin Simrad screens, depth chart, fish finder, digital throttle shift, and your X's joystick. All your switches are right on top of the Simrad screens. Very convenient. Right behind the helm, you got another refrigerator, a little day sink. When you go down below, you got your little galley right on the port side. You got that nice area right up front of the bow. You can put that down and make a nice berth for two. There's a wet head on the boat on the starboard side. Hi, thanks for watching. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat in my inventory, feel free to reach out to me at 603-320-5524. Once again, Matt Roulette at MarineMax Boston. Thank you.